Head coach of Jamaica's senior Sunshine Girls, Sasha Gay Henry-Wright, says lessons learned and not results were the key takeaways from the team's 2-0 series loss to England over the weekend. The squad returned home from England on Monday night.
Head coach of the Jamaica's senior Sunshine Girls, Sasha Gay Henry-Wright, admitted the results in last weekend's Vitality Horizon series fell short of expectations, but noted the series provided a valuable test for a largely inexperienced group facing a strong England Roses team. Henry-Wright explained that several members were playing together for the first time at the international level, making consistency a challenge across the 4 quarters.
Yeah, definitely not the results that we wanted. We know we were going with a team which was less experienced, but despite that, we wanted to look at how the players would adapt and how they would perform against a very strong England team. I think we failed to perform up to our expectation, and we have learned a lot of lessons from it. And I think we'll go back now and get ready and try to prepare the best that we can for our Australian series in February.
The Sunshine Girls head coach says despite the loss, she's looking forward to working with the same set of girls because it's all part of the rebuilding phase.
As a group, we have learned a lot of lessons, and it just looks at the depth that we have, and we really wanted to look at the depth and what we have, because definitely we want to build the players in terms of being able to play on this platform. So I'm grateful that we were able to get the opportunity to bring these new young players into the squad, and we hope that we'll have them to continue that process so they can keep building and learn.
While not happy with the performance, Captain Shanice Beckford is encouraged by what some of the young players did on the court.
I must say it wasn't our best outing, but I'm happy that the girls got the experience, especially the new ones that are coming through. Yeah, a little bit disappointed and disheartened, but a lot of good to take from it, because there were moments of good plays and a little bit of good combinations. So yeah, not the result that we wanted, but as I said, I'm happy that the girls got the experience, and yeah, we only can take lessons from this and move on.
The Sunshine Girls will tour Australia in February next year for a 3-match international test series against the Australian Diamonds. This will be the first standalone series between the two nations since 2011. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.